When journaling becomes a default, when something is always there, within reach, familiar, and inviting, it slowly becomes a habit. So here are a few simple, sometimes superficial things or cues that remind me to journal. First, a cover I actually want to look at. This Hobonichi A5 cover has a handwrite gold foil stamp on it. And I know this might sound a bit superficial, but I love looking at it. The shades of green, mostly with a hint of blue, are my favorite colors. The cover is compact and holds everything in one place. My all-in-one planner and journal, an old traveler's notebook insert that I use for brain and ideas dump, plus a few stickers and sticky notes. When something looks this inviting, you keep it where you always see it. Second, planner and journal in one notebook. Because my planner and journal live in the same notebook or techo, I open it every day anyway to check my to-do lists and plans for the week or month. And once it's open, the journal pages are right there waiting in the second half of the notebook. So I might as well update them. I don't need to look for another notebook or intentionally decide to journal. It's already there waiting on my table every day. Third is a mini photo printer for even the seemingly boring days. Having a small photo printer makes journaling more fun. Printing a photo, even from an ordinary, uneventful day, makes a day feel concrete and memorable and not fade into a blur. It reminds me that this day happened and it's worth noting, that I am worth the day given to me to live. Fourth, paper that welcomes illustration and painting. As an illustrator, I love that Hobonichi paper can handle different mediums, especially watercolor. If I feel like sketching or painting, I can do it directly on the daily pages. Even though I have separate sketchbooks, sometimes it makes more sense to put it here because it's already on my table. The illustration becomes part of my daily journal. Fifth, it's the only notebook I need to bring outside my table. On days when I want to go out and don't know what to bring, this is a no-brainer. Everything I might need is already here. Planner, journal, notes, ideas, even room to draw. Having it with me makes journaling easy no matter where I am. Choosing this techo to go out with me on hurry days keeps the habit alive, even on days I feel scattered. or despite the days I feel scattered. I journal to remind myself that the day happened and that I was worth living it, even in between the ordinary and mundane.